Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Read the poem aloud at least 3 times to hear rhythm and emphasis. Mark pauses and line breaks as you speak each line. Identify the speaker, setting, and narrative perspective in each stanza. Note changes in time or place between stanzas and lines. Underline vivid images and repeat phrases that carry emotional weight. Track any shifts in voice, tense, or address toward a listener. These close reading moves help you gather reliable evidence for later interpretation and theme development. List poetic devices like metaphor, simile, enjambment, and rhyme scheme. Record the function of each device and how it emphasizes meaning. Note shifts in tone or mood across stanzas and sentence breaks. Use adjectives to describe tone precisely, such as resigned, ironic, or celebratory. Connect images and devices to the speaker's central concern or problem in the poem. Ask how language choices push the reader toward a larger idea. This analytic step reveals recurring patterns. Draft a one-sentence theme that states a general truth about human experience. Keep the statement focused and avoid simply summarizing plot events in the poem. Support the theme with 2 or 3 textual examples and brief explanations. Cite specific lines or images and explain how each example supports the claim. Revise the theme to avoid plot summary and to emphasize universal insight. Phrase the final theme in present tense and in a way that applies beyond the poem itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.